Okay, so can you replace oil pan gasket on a Slant 6 and an A-body in the car? Yes. But actually, no. I took the whole cross member out, disconnected suspension. And part of that is having an oil drain that stuck out a little bit. Yeah, this, granted at this point I have good access. I'm going to be able to make sure it doesn't leak again because this was silicone gasket. I thought I'd try for an oil pan and there was just no hope getting that to seal up properly. So yeah, we're going to redo that. Most of the oil pump gear shows a little wear and tear, but not terrible. There's about a couple thousand miles on that, but yeah. So if you think you're going to tackle the oil pan gasket in the car, in a driveway, I wouldn't even bother. Just pull the engine. So, I mean, I might have been able to pull transmission, get it to wiggle out better. So the engine is lifted slightly. I don't know if we can see. But yeah, that wasn't going to give me the clearance I wanted. I don't want to take all the systems up above on, so I mean, obviously a fairly stock engine would be even easier to go just pull the engine out. So the only reason the steering box came out is replacing it with a rebuilt unit anyway, so, which is actually the original box for the car. But anyway, that's, I guess, an update on the Duster. All right, other things to look at is just break-in of the cylinders, which ones we can get to. Everything looks pretty good for a fresh rebuild. But one thing I wanted to show you guys is that's how much oil was still left after pulling the drain plug, letting it sit, then eventually pulling the whole pan. So yeah, that's why you still have a dirty looking oil when you change sometimes. Varies with different cars, but yeah. Thanks for watching.